So guys, we are here in Scotland.
So I've got the 360 camera on my head, I've got the Land Rover phone here, Dan the man is coming to aid me cycling. We're live streaming through EE's network, 360 of me hopefully not crashing.
Oh, whoa! Okay, I'm not doing that, that's mental! Look at this guy, go! Dan's amazing.
We're going left in here.
Left, okay, come in mate. Woo! Oh, whoa! Look at that view, man.
Phew.
Mate, that is amazing.
What a view.
Look at that.
Dude.
You did it.
Just getting ready to meet Alex and teach him some wakeboarding. It's going to be an awesome day and it's going to be all live streamed on EE's 4G network on Facebook.
This is so cool. I'm going to be streaming now, me in 360, doing some wakeboarding over EE's 4G network with the Land Rover Explore. Amazing! Absolutely love that.
So far you've been a natural in the water, but now we need to test your limits. Oh my god. When you get front edge like that, wakeboarding, that's one of the most painful crashes.
Thank you for teaching me how to wakeboard today. I've enjoyed every second of it. Thank you so much.
Cheers guys.
You left me hanging.
Oh.
Today we're going to be paragliding, but for that we need a professional. Ernesto, introduce yourself.
How you doing? Ernesto Reinstedt, 3-time Guinness World Record holder, base jumper, wingsuit flyer. But today I'm going to teach you how to paraglide.
And one last question, does everybody learn like this? Bit weird.
I think it's not safe to take off right now. Probably tomorrow we have better conditions. Right now they're not very stable. We're looking to have lighter winds.
Okay guys, due to storm Ernesto, we are not going to be paragliding today. I'm doing it in 360, which is a shame because that was day 3's activity. But what we've done is replace that with the 360 camera on a drone. We're going to stream that through EE's 4G network. So let's see how this goes. Swipe up. I know it wasn't paragliding, but it was still awesome strapping a 360 camera on this and streaming it over EE's 4G network. But that has been Scotland. It's been absolutely awesome, and I catch up with you guys when I get back home.